Greetings, beautiful creatures. My name is Angel Nightmare. And for some reason, one of my plugs are turned backwards, so ski. For this look, I'm going to be using this brush. Don't know if this is the one I'm supposed to be using, but hey. So at first, I'm just going to be mapping out the lines of this succulent SNACC that I'm going to be turning myself into. And I'm just trying my best not to mess up whatsoever here. Except for I actually did mess up, so we're gonna pull out the baby wipe and just fix that like never happened. Brand new face. So a part of the forbidden fruit is there's two little sections of the pod. One is filled with some form of blue purple juice liquid, and the other side is filled with some form of bright orange juice. And pretty much we're just gonna cover the surrounding area with some white stuff on our face. Ha! That's what she said! And if you're lucky and irresponsible like me, you'll forget to wash your makeup brushes and be forced to use this one and have a streaky makeup job. But it only takes hard work and motivation and dire skill to achieve a streaky makeup look like this one. And if you're even more lucky like me, you can use an even smaller, also streaky makeup brush to do the detailed parts on the inside, because you want your juicy Tide Pod snack to not look consistent. You want it to look like there's some liquid in there, just flowing around, some juices that you can just... And as you're slowly becoming one with the Tide Pod, you just want to accept that you are what you eat, and that you just slowly just transform into what you've always wanted to become, and that is the forbidden fruit. This video is not sponsored by Tide, by the way. Just gonna let you know that. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie, this was a very difficult makeup look to do, mainly because I was not prepared and I did not plan any of this out. I just decided that I wanted to become a Tide Pod because memes. Simply that and nothing more. And now we have to pass this down on to you children. You are going to become a Tide Pod. You must become one with your meal. This orange is from Mara in Paradise. It's called Foxy, and this blue, I don't even know what the blue is called. Something, it links in the description. How about that? Just all the products that I use in this video in the description below. But what we're gonna do here is we're gonna put this blue on, and we're using this blue not because we didn't have the right color to get that deep dark blue, but because we did not have the right color. So we're gonna mix this with some purple and do our best to darken it up a little. And here we're going to add some eyeshadow over it to make it a little bit sparkly, make it look shiny, delicious, succulent. And we're also doing this to make the little streakiness go away, because your boy ain't got time to be fixing stuff and waiting for stuff to dry. So we're gonna keep this shit moving and trying to do the best of our ability. But please do this better than me. Please. Please. Please! Just adding some white highlights in here to make it a little bit shinier, you know, make it look like some lights casting off of it. The level of focus and concentration that this takes is actually not much at all, so you can just pretty much do this look a lot better than I can. And oh, look at that, looking beautiful. Oh shit, are we done? Thank God. Do I look delicious now? Does this make you want to eat me? This is all I ever wanted, was to be a delicious, tasty looking snack. If you ever want to fulfill your dreams of becoming a Tide Pod, here's a makeup tutorial for you. And honestly, I spent way too much time on this, and I hope that you don't if you do this. Well, anywho, thank you for watching. Please be sure to subscribe, smack that bell button, bite that like button, and I'll see you in the next video.